welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel. It also hit the notification bell, and so you're notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up in comment below section. So into this video, guys, I have another unboxing video today. I just received it today and I can't wait to open this. So this is a Cartier unboxing. If you watch my shop with me online, I have a few items in there that I like. And yeah, let's open this. There you go, it's the box. I'm gonna cut that one. So this item is it's been my wish list, but I'm not really sure about this until I got my, I think some of you know what it is. I always liked, Cartier, because they always pack very well in their packaging to secure the items, which is good. Cartier is very good at doing a shipping. They make sure that's everything that you receive. So guys, let me have this box out if I can. So this is the item. Let's see. There you go. So here it is. Let's see. I don't know if the camera is too bright. This is the item. Actually, I ordered a little bit also from them, but I will check this one later. Oh my god, it's so dusty. Of course, always give you, that's why also pass size to me, that they always give you a shopping bag from Cartier. I believe this is the, let me see, my receipt, probably my, okay guys, I'm really struggling to I don't know what they put in here so much like this. Let me open a little bit so I can, oh, finally. So it's a small, and always as a like gift, so at least to give you like this one a blank, so in case, like, you know, if you want to give something or you use that as a card. So this is the authenticity card, and this is the item. Yes, it's really cute. I never had a, let me move a little bit, okay? I never had a ribbon yet. All the time I have is this hat stamp from Cartier. Maybe because we always order online. So let's open this. Oopsie. Good guys, the beautiful bags. I love the color of this. It comes with other bags, and it has another bags as well. And the item I got is this just and clou ring in small size. I picked the small size because I like dainty, and I would just want to match on my bangle. So I just guessing the size. And I don't know, I don't know where I put this ring. So I have my lab bangle, and this is size 57, by the way, quite loose. So what I'm trying to put is right here. So I always put my lab bangle around in my index, sometimes on my middle finger, sometimes on my thumb. But I'm scared to lose if I put a thumb. This is my first ever Cartier I had. This is long time ago, 2015 I think. Yeah, so I always normally put in here. So you guys. So now I'm trying to put this one. Oh my God, this is the first time I seen a ring, and the small size is very, very tiny. I don't know if it's just so tiny, guys. Like, it's so thin. Maybe that's why people are getting that thicker one instead of thin. But well, let's see. Let's see, I put on my finger. Oh, this is size. Oh my God, I don't like to. The size 56, it's actually, let me move that. The size 56 actually fit right into it. Because maybe if I had 55, maybe it's too tight. But this one, it looks nice. Look at that, guys. And it matches on my bangle as well. Because I don't mind this one. And look how cute it is. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my God, it's nice. I'll put my other ring in here. So it's quite big. I'll put right here. So my first ring of love collection, it looks so, it need to be clean. Look, I don't know if you can see. See, compared to that, they both are yellow gold. So that's what it is. And I'm gonna put next to, oh my God, sorry for the phone, it's ringing, guys. Oh my God. Okay, this call is interrupt me. Apparently my husband called me. Finally. Sorry about that. So, see, these two are next to each other, which is, I don't mind. So do you prefer that the tip, the end is right here, or the one over here? Like, it's so nice. Let's see if it's focusing. So that's really cute. I will put the other way, because I always put my bangle, the first one on here, because it happens to me when I try the clothes. This one snag in here. So I'll try this way. Yeah, I think it's better like this one, so it will be, oh my God, it's really nice. I love it. And I'll try on my thumb. Oh my God, the thumb is loose again. This is size 56 already. So that's it. And a thumb looks like, let me use the other finger. Oh my God, I can't even, I don't know if you guys see. Let's see, in a thumb, looks like, I don't think it's good in a thumb. I saw people on Instagram that they use in the index more, because it's really cute looking in the index. In the middle finger, it looks nice as well in the middle finger. So look at that, guys, a beautiful, beautiful ring. It's just so cute. It matches on my bangle. So the authenticity is in here. That's the authenticity, guys. The day I purchased, and the first time I bought my our engagement, I mean not engagement ring, our wedding ring in Singapore, they don't put our authenticity in here, in this what you call this one, the fold cardboard. They only give us this kind of one for the authenticity and nothing else. They just put in there. It's so strange. And so this is size 50. This is size 50, guys. This is a wedding band as well, so that's, maybe I should put my other wedding ring on the other side. So that's my, I wish I get size 55. Guys, comment below if you own any of a just and clou ring. It's supposed to be loose or you have to be tight, because this one as well is quite loose, but it's not too tight in your finger as well. So that's really, really nice. So it match on my like I said, it's match on my bangle. So yeah, that's it for my Cartier unboxing today, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.